can't believe boss sent me here, so. Look pan this warehouse, the cemetery right there, so. This not job, this a setup. Me supposed to walk around this compound every hour. This a suicide mission, not security position. Wait, what that? Maximus, why didn't you finish your shift last night? CCTV show you hide behind barrel like mouse. Me was practicing undercover operation, boss. Literally undercover. Undercover? Eh? Maximus, you don't know James Bond to Ross. Me I hire you to guard the place. But boss, you know see the graveyard next door? The place haunted. All heap of dopey out the rehearsing choir. One even try to sing my name. So you abandoned post and left the place wide open. Boss, me did still guard the building. From distance, me guard it spiritually and me guard my soul too. Me got priorities. Give me supermarket, give me school, anywhere we don't have tombstone them. And if a job is near a tombstone, me work remotely, me work from home.